Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best pool table cover is probably one of the most essential accessories for any pool table owner, offering crucial protection against dust, spills, and accidental damage that can degrade your playing surface over time, ensuring your investment remains in pristine condition for countless games to come. This cover acts as a shield, preserving the felt and the overall integrity of your table, making it a non-negotiable item for serious players and casual enthusiasts alike who want to maintain the quality and longevity of their beloved game. Number 5. Heavy-duty Leatherette pool table cover. Keep your billiard table safe from dust and spills. This cover offers full protection, ensuring your felt stays pristine. Our cover features a soft cotton fleece backing. It gently protects your table's wood rails and cloth from scratches. Made from tear-proof, spill-proof leatherette, it's built to last. Simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth after use. No more slipping or bunching. Weighted corners and machine-sewn seams keep it securely in place, protecting against daily wear. This protective shield isn't just for pool tables. It's perfect for other gaming tables or large rectangular furniture too. Its easy-to-fold design makes installation and storage a breeze. A practical accessory for any game room. What we like. This cover offers ultimate table protection with a snug fit. Its scratch-free backing ensures your table's finish remains pristine. If you're looking for a cover that stays put and provides superior defense against pets and kids, this is the one for you. What people say. The cover is made of heavy-duty vinyl and is waterproof, which protects the pool table from dust, spills, and moisture. It fits snugly over the table and has elastic corners that keep it in place, preventing it from blowing off in the wind. The cover is also UV resistant, so it won't fade or crack when exposed to sunlight. Number 4. GSE Billiard Table Covers. Introducing the GSE Billiard Table Cover, crafted from high-quality leatherette. It offers superior protection against dust, spills, and everyday damage, ensuring your table stays pristine. Our cover is not only waterproof but also wrinkle-free and resistant to scratches and tears. Its durable construction withstands more abuse than typical vinyl covers, offering long-lasting performance. Featuring strengthened sewn seams and a unique fillet design, installation is a breeze. This thoughtful construction enhances its overall durability for extended use. Designed to fit most 7-foot pool tables, this cover measures 90 by 51 inches with a 7-inch side drape. Please measure your table before ordering to ensure the perfect fit. Choose from a variety of colors to match your style and game room decor. Protect your investment with a cover that looks as good as it performs. What we like. Crafted from 100% heavy-duty leatherette, this cover is both waterproof and wrinkle-free. Its strengthened seams ensure long-lasting durability. If you need a reliable and easy-to-clean option that offers excellent protection against spills and damage, consider this cover. What people say. The cover is made of heavy-duty vinyl and is waterproof, which protects the pool table from spills and dust. It fits perfectly on an 8-foot pool table and is easy to put on and take off. The cover has a smooth finish and looks great on the table, adding a touch of elegance to the room. Number 3. GEMITTO 8-foot waterproof pool table cover. Introducing the GEMITTO pool table cover, designed to keep your billiard table safe. It offers robust protection against the elements and daily wear and tear. Crafted from high-quality 420D polyester, this cover features multiple protective coatings. It's soft, wear-resistant, waterproof, and fade-resistant, ensuring long-lasting use. Our cover is equipped with adjustable buckles and a drawstring. This ensures a snug and secure fit, preventing it from blowing away even in windy conditions. Protecting your table is simple, just place it over the surface. Cleaning is just as easy, a quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes. This cover provides excellent protection not only for pool tables but also for snooker tables, dining tables, and other game tables, indoors or outdoors. To ensure the best fit for your billiard table, please measure its dimensions before purchasing. This cover is designed for most standard 8-foot pool tables. What we like. Made from durable 420D polyester fabric with UV and waterproof coatings, this cover offers fade resistance. It features buckles and a drawstring for a secure fit. If you need a cover that provides robust protection against the elements and stays firmly in place, even outdoors, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The cover is a perfect fit for an 8-foot pool table, providing excellent protection. It's made of durable material that seems like it will last a long time. The cover is waterproof and keeps the table dry even in damp conditions. Number 2. WOMACO 7 to 9 foot heavy-duty waterproof billiard table cover. Keep your billiard table safe from the elements. This cover provides robust protection against rain, dust, frost, and sun, ensuring it stays in pristine condition. Crafted from high-density Oxford fabric with a silver-plated undercoating, it offers superior durability compared to standard nylon covers. It's designed to resist rips and protect your table's cloth from fading due to dust, dirt, and sunlight. This cover is both UV-resistant and waterproof, making it ideal for outdoor use. Enjoy excellent protection against moisture and sun damage, perfect for your home snooker or pool table. Available in 3 sizes, 7, 8, and 9 feet, it's designed to fit most billiard tables on the market. Please measure your table before purchase to ensure a perfect fit. Featuring a stable design with an adjustable button, it secures firmly onto the table. This ensures it stays in place even in windy conditions, providing reliable protection. What we like. This cover is constructed from high-density Oxford fabric with a silver-plated undercoating, making it exceptionally long-lasting and rip-resistant. It offers excellent protection against dust, dirt, spills, and fading from sunlight. If you prioritize durability and comprehensive protection for your table, especially for outdoor use, this cover is a great option. What people say. The cover fits perfectly on my 8-foot pool table, providing excellent protection against dust and spills. The material is durable and waterproof, which gives me peace of mind knowing my table is safe from accidental liquid damage. It's easy to put on and take off, and the snug fit prevents it from blowing away in the wind. Number 1. ClawsCover 7, 8, 9 feet waterproof billiard pool table cover. Introducing the ClawsCover pool table cover, designed to shield your table from all elements. It offers superior protection against scratches, dust, and weather, ensuring your table stays in pristine condition. Crafted from heavy-duty 420D polyester, this cover is exceptionally durable and built to withstand the test of time. It provides robust protection without any unpleasant odors. This cover is designed to fit 99% of 8-foot pool tables, wrapping around it like a glove. It effectively prevents scratches from pets, keeping your table safe and secure. Featuring advanced 420D polyester with a waterproof PU coating and sealed seams, it offers exceptional resistance to water, dust, snow, and UV rays. It's the perfect all-season solution. Equipped with adjustable windproof straps, this cover stays firmly in place even in strong winds. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, providing reliable security. Your purchase includes one pool table cover and a convenient storage bag. We are committed to your satisfaction with lifetime customer service. What we like. Featuring heavy-duty 420D polyester with a super waterproof PU coating and sealed seams, this cover offers superior water resistance. It also includes windproof click-close straps for a secure fit. If you need a cover that can withstand harsh weather conditions and provides excellent protection against rain and moisture, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The cover is made of heavy-duty vinyl with a felt lining to protect the table surface. It fits snugly over my 8-foot pool table, covering it completely. The cover is waterproof and easy to clean, which is great for outdoor use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.